We're going to use Ultron's scoring ratings for the Marvel game example. So here's strength is 5, speed is 3, agility 2, stamina 7, durability 6, intelligence 4. So we're going to put those numbers into the algebraic expression. You can see the expression up here. It's 1/6 times strength, 1/3 times speed, 4/9 times agility, and so forth. So just fill in all of Ultron's ratings into the expression like so. So he had a 5 for strength. Just plug it in, plug in 3 for speed, and all of the ratings, just plug those in for the variable terms. Okay, so now what you're going to do is multiply 1/6 times 5. That's 5/6. And 1/3 times 3 is actually 1. And 4/9 times 2 is 8/9. 5/9 times 7 is 35/9. 2/3 times 6 is 12/3, but of course that equals 4 altogether because 12 divided by 3. And then 5/6 times 4, that's 20/6. Okay, so now we have to combine some terms. We're going to combine 5, 6, and 1. Okay, and see what that looks like. What I'm going to do actually is just change 1 into 6, 6. Okay, this way we get a result of 11/6. Makes it easier. 8/9 plus 35/9, so you just do 35 plus 8, 43/9. And then 4 plus 20/6. And to make that easier, I'm actually just going to change 4 into 24/6 because 24 divided by 6 is 4. So it's the same value. That gives me 44/6. Okay, so now I got to combine. Actually, what I'm going to do, I know that it's set up to go from here like that, but it's actually, as I notice when I look at these numbers, just follow along. This number, the 11/6 and the 44/6, they're going to be easier to combine because they already have a common denominator. So I'm going to add those numbers together just by my choice. And so 11 plus 44 is 55/6. So we're going to add those at 55/6. And I'm just going to kind of do this so I know that I've already added them. And I'm just going to bring down the 43/9. Okay, so now I need to find a way to put these numbers together. So a common denominator between two of these numbers is 18. And so that's multiplying both the numerator and denominator by 3 to get 18. So my total score will have a denominator of 18. So in any event, 3 times 55 is going to be 165. And over here, I have to multiply by 2 to get to 18. Okay, so 43 times 2 is 86. So I add now, what I'm going to do is add 86 and 165. And that's going to equal, let's see, 265 minus 14. 251 over 18. 251 over 18. Okay. And to be honest, I should just really reduce this. 18 into 251, that goes a total of 13 times. Okay. So for final score, it's 13, and there's a leftover. There's 17 left over, okay, from that division. And just throw that back over the divisor. And so here's my total score for Ultron. 13 and 17/18.